You. What the fuck?
No. It's okay. It's okay. I don't want to hurt you. You're safe, okay? You've been in deep freeze again.
Oh, Jesus Christ. For how long?
Almost 2 years in a CIA black site. I just found out this morning.
You found out this morning?
Yeah.
But that just happens to be in your room? Did you fuck me?
What?
Is this some kind of incest thing?
No.
Then what the fuck is this?
Look, I want you to find William Butcher.
Find him yourself.
Well, the people that work for me are limited, and you are the best tracker there is. I need you to find him and report back. Very simple.
You want me to work for you?
Well, why don't we say work with me, and I can help you. I can give you a proper comeback.
I don't need you for that.
Well, the whole world does think that you're a Russian spy, so...
Okay, all right. Listen to me. I'm no ass Felchin commie. You got that?
I know. And listen, I am Vought now. Me. So the public, they're gonna believe that you are whatever I tell them you are. I can resurrect you. I can give you back what you lost. I can even make you number 2 in the 7.
Number 2? Or how about I finish the job and blast you to kingdom fuck?
Hey, you could try. Who knows, you might even fry the V right out of my blood. Or you might not. But I'm betting that you hate William Butcher more than you hate me. After all, I'm not the one that betrayed you, am I?
I tried to kill you. The minute I turn my back, how do I know you won't return the favor?
Look, you find William Butcher for me. All is forgiven.